Satellites at AI laban sa El Nino at krisis sa pagkain. Yan ang ibinida ng Agriculture Department kasama ang pribadong sektor sa ginanap na Food Security Forum. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Remus Macasero.
Patuloy na pinipilay ng El Nino phenomenon ang mga lokal na sakahan at agribusiness sector ilang araw bago ang SONA ng Pangulo. Kaya naman, nagsama-sama ang mga agricultural stakeholder at Department of Agriculture para sa 2026 Food Security Forum na inorganisa ng Economic Journalists Association of the Philippines. Bitbit ang temang Growing Through Adversity, kung saan hinimay ang mga hakbang para maprotektahan ang food supplies ng bansa sa gitna ng massive climate-related disruptions at vulnerabilities sa global trade routes. Inilatag ni Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. ang ongoing efforts ng gobyerno. Ibinida niya ang bagong DA Command Center na mag-harness ng data at intelligence. Gagamit ito ng satellites at AI para i-monitor, i-predict at protektahan ang Philippine agriculture.
Our Agriculture Command Center, now working with the Philippine Statistics, and we are working also with the Philippine Statistics Authority and the Philippine Space Agency, is turning data into better decision. And this is as an update, yesterday we launched our new software. It's called ABCDE.
Binahagi naman ng pribadong sektor ang urgent need para sa collaborative action para ma-mitigate ang krisis at maiwasan ang supply shortage. Isang shared responsibility anila ang food security na nangangailangan ng mga polisiyang nagbabalanse sa public health at food access para sa bawat Pilipino.
Together with food manufacturing, as mentioned, in an archipelago such as ours, food distribution is the backbone of access. Manufacturing alone is not enough. Food must also reach consumers efficiently. The distribution sector includes where wholesalers, retailers, the food service, those who make small cupcakes, small drinks on the side, and it supports over 5 million livelihoods.
Nakatutok ngayon ng mga market players at bawat Pilipino kung ang mga hamon at proposed solutions na ito ay magiging bahagi ba ng economic blueprint ng Pangulo sa kanyang upcoming SONA. Para sa agenda, Remus Macasero, Billionaire News Channel.